Good morning, children. Today we are learning the grammar part of our lesson number 3. That is Clever Tenali Raman. First we shall learn the meanings, then we'll go to our textual bits. Third lesson, that is Clever Tenali Raman. First meaning, snapped. Here, made a sudden sharp noise with his fingers. Second one, post, an important job. Third one, fulfill, to do what is required. Fourth, handled, looked after. Next one, matters of the court, the work and activities done in court. Next one, the town elders, the elder and respectable people of the town. When people in a village or town face any problems, they seek the advice of the town elders. Next meaning, gasp, to breathe quickly with an open mouth because of pain. Called out for water, ordered someone to get water. Undercooked, food that has not been cooked long enough and is not ready to be eaten. Introduce, here, to make one person known to another. Glared at, looked angrily. Next one, embarrassed, felt sorry or silly in front of others. Next one, chuckled, laughed softly. So, complete these sentences with the correct pronouns. So, before that, what are the pronouns? The words which are used instead of a noun are known as pronouns. What are personal pronouns and possessive pronouns? The words like he, him are known as personal pronouns. The king was very pleased with Raja Varma. He wanted to reward him. He. The word he is used instead of that man's name. So he and him are known as personal pronouns. Next one, you are right, Raman. The fault is mine. If you are admitting or if you are saying something, the object belongs to someone or the fault is of someone, there we use the word like possessive pronouns. So let us do exercise bit based on this. Complete these sentences with the correct pronouns. First one, your bag is on the table. This one is. My or mine Whenever you are saying some object belongs to you, you should not say this is my bag, this is my book. You should say this is mine. M-I-N-E, mine. Second one. Dash will meet you at the station. Please wait for dash. I will meet you at the station. Please wait for me. Never you should say wait for I. Wait for I am. You should say wait for me. Try to inculcate an habit of practicing words in English. Then you will be perfect in English. Third one. I have lost my pen. Please help me find dash. It or its. It is only it. Please help me to find it. Fourth one. Alpa lost her book yesterday. This must be. You should not say yours. This must be hers. H-E-R-S, hers. Fifth one. We gave them our phone number and they gave us dash, theirs. Sixth one. Sanchit and Titus are not coming. Dash don't really like parties. You should use the word they, T-H-E-Y, they. Sanchit and Titus are not coming. They don't really like parties. Hope that everyone understood today's class. We shall meet in the next class. Thank you.